guys, Pete from plasmacutter.co.nz. Just a little video about an AG60 plasma cutting torch. Hi guys, just a little video about the AG60 plasma torch. Nothing special here really. This is designed for machines up to 50 amp. Just a little single phase 50 amp home workshop machines. It's a generic torch made in China. They make them under various different names, like you've got AG60, WSD60, S65. There's all sorts of different names, but they're all basically the same torch. And yeah, nothing flash about this at all really. You've just got your standard torch in your spacer here, your ceramic, your cutting tip, and your cutting electrode. You don't have to screw these in really mentally, just hand tight. It's no drama, just all pretty basic. And then if we go to the other end of it, you see your ceramic swirl ringers in here. Some of them you can replace the swirl rings, but in this particular torch model you can't. It's built into the torch. And if we undo the back of it, just a standard air fitting there. That goes through your air hose into your plasma cutting machine. And you notice that there's no earth lead on here because it's not a pilot arc torch. It's just a standard HF torch. So that's all it. Really basic stuff really. And yeah, these are quite cheap, generic torches. I'll put a couple of links below if you want to buy one, or you need some consumables for it. And yeah, so that's just a standard torch. We have another one, which is here, which is exactly the same torch, just a different style, just made in a different factory, basically. Same sort of thing. If I pulled this to pieces, it would just have exactly the same as this one. It's the same drama, just different body really. Yeah, that would go in there like so, you see. Same thing, your airline goes in there, and it takes exactly the same consumables and everything like that. So, yeah. So that's it, basically, the AG60 plasma torch. Thanks guys.